channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a grungy, silvery, smoky eye. So let's get straight into it. I haven't done the exact look I'm doing today before, so we're kind of going to be learning together, so bear with me. We're going to start with eyes, and I'm going to use the PLouise Base. This is in the shade Rumour 2, and I'm just going to pop that. And then with the Real Techniques 072 concealer brush, I'm just going to blend all of that out. You can use concealer if you want, if you don't have like an actual eyeshadow base, it works just as good. I'm going to be using the Revolution 196 colour palette. So as you can see, there's quite a wide range of silvers and greys and stuff, so that's kind of what we're going to be using. First off, we're going to go in there with this shade here. I'm going to use this Morphe fluffy eyeshadow brush, and we're just going to use this as a transition colour, so we're just going to run that across the lid. And then we're going to start off with this lighter grey shade on this Cash Beauty fluffy brush. We'll start off lighter and then we can sort of build on the colour if we need to. I'm just going to pop that here and on the inner corner as well. We want to try and leave this middle section empty, and then the same on the other side as well. It's always a struggle to get them matching, but don't worry too much. And then we're going to darken it up with this shade here, same brush and same areas, just darken up those same parts. My two sides do not match, and it does look very messy at the moment, but we're going to trust the process. We just want to keep building up, just patting on the eyelid. We don't want to rub too much or anything. Just pat the eyeshadow in and just keep adding where you feel like you need it. So with a clean fluffy brush, I'm gonna just blend this all out. Bring it up ever so slightly. So once we're a little bit blended, we're gonna go in with a light grey. This is so awkward to show you, so I do apologise. Same brush, and we're just gonna blend that across just slightly above the crease. And then we're going to use this silver glitter here, and because I want it to be extra sparkly, I'm gonna wet my brush slightly. This brush is from Morphe, by the way. And then that middle section that we kept as clear as we possibly could, we're gonna pack that in the middle and then re-wet it again. And then with the brush that we used for the darker shade, we're just gonna gently blend out any harsh edges with that and re-darken up any little bits that we might need to. And you basically just want to keep sort of going back in with different brushes and blending until you're happy with how it looks. Okay, so now I've done sort of as much as I can on my eyes. I'm going to start my base, and I'm going to use the Vitamin E Intense Moisture Cream from Superdrug, and I'm just going to pop that on. And then for primer, I'm going to use the Primark Prep and Perfect, and I'm just going to rub that in like a moisturiser. My nose always starts to get runny when I start to do my base, it's so annoying. And then for foundation, we're going to use the Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation. I've got the shade Pearl, and then just going to pop that on the back of my hand, and then going in with foundation brush. I'm just going to put that everywhere, trying to avoid directly sort of under my eyes. I do apologise, there is currently some hoovering going on downstairs. So for the next few bits, I will show you what I'm using, and you'll just have to watch me do it. So I'm gonna use, and also ignore the background noise, I'm very sorry. I'm gonna use the cream contour from Primark, that's in the shade medium to light, no, light to medium, if that makes sense. The Primark Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in the shade Nugget, and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I'm hoping you can't hear the hoover too much anymore, but for powder I'm going to go in with the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder and my Trigwell Cosmetics Powder Puff. I'm going to go under the eyes and T-zone. And then I always go in everywhere else just with a brush, just to make sure everything is set nicely. And then for powder blush, we're going to go in with this Revolution Hot Spice Blush Palette. I can't speak today. What is wrong with me? I can't speak today. And I'm going to go in with this, I'm going to go in with this darkest shade here. Brows, I'm going to use the Well Brow Tinted Gel. I'm just going to brush that through my eyebrows. It's almost got like little hairs in it, so it fills in any gaps really nicely. So then back to eyes, we're going to go in with a black pencil eyeliner. This one is from Collection. We're going to put that in our upper and our lower waterline. So you just want to gently lift your eyelid up and be careful not to poke yourself in the eye. And then the lower waterline. Okay, so once we've done that, we want to get a nice flat brush. This one is from Morphe. We're going to go in with that grey shade that we first started with. And we're going to run this along our lower lash line and kind of just smudge it all out. And if you want it to be sort of extra smoky, you can go in with that fluffy brush that we used and just blend it all out. I'm actually going to go back in with a small brush with the dark shade that we had earlier. Just darken that up again. And then we're using the Rimmel Extra Super Lash Mascara. For lip liner, I'm going to use the MUA Intense Colour Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Obsession. And then I'm going to use this lipstick from e.l.f. It's in the shade Cocoa. I'm not sure if they do it anymore, but it's a nice sort of deep red. finish the look off with the e.l.f. Power Grip setting spray. And there we have the finished look. I'm pretty impressed with how it's turned out, considering I wasn't really sure what I was doing along the way, but we got there in the end. Let me know if you like this look, or even if you recreate it, let me know in the comments, that'd be really cool. And as usual, I'll put all the products that I used in the description below, so go check out all of them. If you like this video, please give it a like and comment any video suggestions for next time, and subscribe for more videos in the future, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.